Have you ever wondered what retirement is all about? Is it merely an endless vacation, or is there more to it? Let's shatter that myth of retirement as an era of idleness, lacking purpose. Picture it instead as a golden opportunity. A chance to pursue passions long set aside, a time to dive into interests yet explored. The beauty of retirement lies in its potential for self-discovery and renewed purpose. Remember, retirement is not the end, but rather a new beginning, a chance to rediscover oneself and find a new purpose. First, think about what you love. What are your interests, old or new? Retirement is a golden opportunity to delve into interests that captivate your spirit. Perhaps you've been longing to strum the guitar, paint a sunset, or decode the mysteries of the cosmos. Or maybe it's time to dust off those dancing shoes or reignite your passion for birdwatching. These passions, new or rekindled, can infuse your days with joy, purpose, and a zest for life. Remember, this is your time. Make the most of it doing what you love. Second, don't isolate yourself. Stay connected. In this golden phase of life, maintaining social ties isn't just about having fun, it's about mental and emotional support too. Interactions keep your mind sharp and your heart light. Remember those interests we talked about? Well, joining clubs or groups that share those can be an incredible way to make new friends. Be it a book club, a gardening group, or a music class, these circles can be your gateway to enriched living. Your social circle can be your lifeline to a fulfilling retirement. Third, consider giving back and taking care of yourself. Many find a renewed sense of purpose in retirement through volunteering. It's a chance to use your skills in a meaningful way, make new social connections, and experience the satisfaction of giving back. But don't forget about your wellness. Prioritize physical activity, a balanced diet, and mental stimulation. Activities like meditation, reading, or puzzles can keep you feeling your best. Remember, a healthy body and a giving heart can make retirement all the more meaningful. Lastly, set goals for yourself. Who said retirement means no more challenges? Life's milestones don't stop at retirement. In fact, this is a prime time to set both short-term and long-term goals. These could be as simple as mastering a new recipe or as grand as penning your memoirs. Goals keep us motivated, they keep us engaged. They give us something to strive for, a purpose to our days. So consider this. What's your next big goal? Retirement is a chance to achieve new things. Embrace it. So, is retirement just an endless vacation? Far from it. It's a time to unearth new passions or rekindle old ones. A time to foster social connections which enrich our lives. It's a chance to give back to our communities and focus on our physical and mental well-being. Retirement also encourages us to set new goals and challenges, keeping us motivated. Remember, every day in retirement is a new opportunity to find purpose and meaning. Make it count.